Hello everyone. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the marks distribution and exam pattern of GATE CSE. Clear? So let's start. GATE CS, or it is also general for each and every department, every engineering department. Clear? So total marks in the exam is 100 marks. Total question in the exam will be 65. Now, in this 65 question, two form of question are there: 1 mark question and 2 mark question. In this 1 mark and 2 mark question, that means here total 65 question is there, and in this 65 question we have 1 mark question as well as 2 mark question. Now, among this 65 question, 1 mark question will be in total in 30 and the number of 2 mark question will be 35. Now look, the GATE syllabus contains 3 sections. First one is aptitude, second one is engineering math, and the third one is core computer science. In case of aptitude, 1 mark question will be 5 and 2 mark question is also 5. That means number of 1 mark question in case of aptitude is 5 and number of 2 mark question is also 5. So what will be the total mark? Total marks in case of aptitude, here in total we have 100 marks. In case of aptitude we have 15 marks. Now in case of engineering mathematics, total mark in this particular 2021, IIT Bombay already fixed the weightage of engineering mathematics in each branch. Clear? Each branch paper, and that is 13 mark. In this 13 mark also 1 mark and 2 mark question will be there. Now how many 1 mark and how many 2 mark question will be there? Look, 1 mark question, there is a high possibilities there that number of 1 mark question will be 5 and number of 2 mark question will be 4. The possibilities of 1 mark and 2 mark question is 5 and 4. This is the maximum possibilities, but there are other combination is also possible, but those combination of those 1 mark and 2 mark questions is little bit less. Clear? So I am going with 5 and 5, total 5 question from 1 mark and total 4 question from 2 mark in case of engineering mathematics. Now the next part is core computer science part. So here in total we already covered, using aptitude and engineering math we already covered total 28 marks. So we left with 72 marks. Now how these 72 marks will be divided into 1 mark and 2 mark question? Look, in case of 1 mark, there is a possibility of 20 question, and in case of 2 mark there is a possibility of 26 question. So this is how the GATE question will set in this particular year 2021. Now look, we have 1 mark question, 2 mark question, we have 3 sections, that is aptitude, engineering math and core computer science math. Question can be of 3 form. Number 1 is MCQ question. Number 2 is MSQ question. Number 3 is numerical answer type. Now look, what is MCQ, what is MSQ, and what is NAT? Now look, MCQ means 4 option will be there. And within this 4 option, any one will be correct option. That means 4:1. I can write it as 4:1. That means total option will be 4 and Correct answer will be only 1. And now in case of MSQ, that means multiple selection question, what will be the what is the scenario of MSQ? That means what is MSQ type question? Look, in case of MSQ type question also 4 options will be there, but here more than one option can be correct. More than one option can be correct. Now in case of numerical answer type question, here the answer type is fill in the blanks. You have to type the answer in the by using virtual keyboard in GATE exam. That means you need to some numerical type question will be there, and for those numerical type question you have to calculate the answer, and after find out the answer you need to type by using virtual keyboard in GATE exam. Clear? So that is what numerical answer type question. Now look, 1 mark question, 2 mark question. In case of 1 mark question also all 3 types question is possible. In case of 2 mark also all 3 type question they can ask. That means here also for 1 mark question all options are there. Multiple choice question, MCQ, then MSQ, then NAT. All 3 type question can be asked in 1 mark question. But and in case of 2 mark also the question can be MCQ form or MSQ form or NAT form, means numerical answer type question. Now in GATE exam every question also have some negative marking. That means if you attempt a question and that answer is wrong, at that time they will deduct some mark whatever you obtained. From that mark they will deduct the negative part. Clear? So in case of MCQ type question we only have negative marking. In case of MSQ and NAT type question we don't have negative marking question. That means what will happen? In case of MCQ type question, if your answer is wrong, at that time they will deduct some marks. And in case of MSQ and NAT type question, if your answer is wrong, at that time also they will not deduct any marks. Clear? Now what is the negative marking criteria? Look, in case of 1 mark question the negative marking criteria is 33%, and in case of 2 mark question the negative marking criteria is 66%. Clear? That means here 0.33 marks will deduct, here 0.66 marks will deduct. Clear? So this is the question pattern, this is the total marks of question, and how this 1 mark and 2 mark question will divided into aptitude, engineering math and core computation section. All these parts are discussed here, and each of these 1 mark or 2 mark question can be any of the 3 form of MCQ, MSQ and NAT type. Clear? So hope you understood the whole scenario of GATE question paper and how you can expect the question in GATE exam. Clear? So that's it for today. See you soon in our next class. Thank you.